Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create this large clock screen layout on your iPhone running iOS 26. So if you recently installed iOS 26 and you want to have this effect where you have a large clock and you have this person here and giving the depth effect. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll first go ahead and open up settings, scroll down and find wallpaper. Now next we'll go ahead and tap on add new wallpaper and we'll go ahead and tap on photos. Now here we'll go ahead and tap on all and we'll go ahead and choose a wallpaper. So for example, this one here. Now we'll go ahead and zoom in and we just want the bottom part here. And as you can see, once I've placed this object or this person here at the bottom, you'll see that the clock will automatically adjust itself and will be placed behind the person. You can even try this on different photos. So let's go ahead and try another photo. And as you can see, you have your clock and you have your background here. Once you're happy, tap add, tap on set as wallpaper pair, and then go ahead and press home. And now when you lock your iPhone, you'll see that large clock screen layout on iOS 26. So there you go guys, that is how to create the large clock screen layout on iOS 26.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.